So we're gonna use this to do 5 ml of flavor. So I'll just squeeze from the squeeze bottle, because why not? Maisha ni nyepesi. So you'll not see the color because it's clear, but you'll feel the kick. Yeah, add a little. You'll feel the kick of the strawberry in the mix. Then you just fold it in for the flavor ingie vizuri. So this one's, which tins will I use? I think I can use the 6-inch tins. Still, I use a weighing scale. I use a weighing scale for everything, so that I have equal amounts. Put the tin, then you remove tear. Tear is the weight of the tin. After 500. Cut how smooth that mixture is. Very smooth and luscious.